I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Coinbase account back. First, determine why you lost access, whether it's a forgotten password or a compromised account. Next, navigate directly to the official Coinbase support website. Do not use search engine links that might lead to phishing sites. Once there, locate the account recovery section and meticulously follow the step-by-step instructions provided to initiate the process. This ensures you are on the correct path to regaining access. A crucial step in regaining access is identity verification. You will need to provide a clear image of your government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Be ready to complete a selfie verification, often involving a live photo or short video. Make sure your documents are not expired and that all details are perfectly legible. Any blurriness or incomplete information could delay your recovery significantly, so take your time. Once you have regained access, prioritize enhancing your account security. Immediately enable two-factor authentication, preferably using an authenticator app rather than SMS. Create a robust, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid reusing it across other platforms. Furthermore, make it a habit to regularly check your account's login history and activity for anything unusual, reporting suspicious events promptly. If the automated recovery steps do not resolve your issue, it's time to contact Coinbase support directly. Be prepared to provide comprehensive details about your situation, including any error messages, dates of last access, and actions you've already taken. The more information you offer, the faster they can assist you. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Staying informed and proactive is key to a smooth recovery process and maintaining your account's integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.